Good afternoon, everyone. Me again, Abu speaking. Only preaching peace and love. So, the phrase for this afternoon is when we are family or we are good or something like that, please let's not try anything for each other. Now it's good now and then just to go check up on someone. Even if you hate the person, just go check up. That way we know how the next person is doing. So the phrase for the day is let's check up on one another as much as we can, because obviously some people can't and don't get time to check. But let's check up on each other as much as we can. I will be preaching peace and love.